Okay, good day to all grade 7 students. In this video lesson, we are going to tackle the activity 3 of unit 3 module 5. The title is Move Me Up, under the topic about heat or the energy transfer, wherein we are going to tackle about the second method of energy transfer, which is the convection. The title of activity 3 is Move Me Up. You have previously learned that water is a poor conductor of heat, as shown in table 2. But why is it that when you hit the bottom of the pan containing water, the entire water evenly gets hot quickly? Think of the answer to this question while performing this next activity. So the objective of our activity, you should be able to observe and describe convection of heat through liquids. So the materials that we are going to use, 2 transparent containers, example drinking glass or beaker or bottle. Okay, dropper, hot water and cold water, piece of cardboard, and be careful not to bump the table or shake the container at any time during the experiment because of the hot water. For our procedure, fill one of the glass containers with tap water. Number 2, while waiting for the water to become still, mix in a separate container a few drops of food coloring with a small amount of very cold water. You may also make the food coloring cold by placing the bottle inside the refrigerator for at least an hour before you perform the activity. Okay, number 3, suck a few drops of cold food coloring using the dropper and slowly dip the end of the medicine dropper into the container with tap water down to the bottom. See to it that the colored water does not come out of the dropper yet until its end reaches the bottom of the container. Okay, number 4, slowly press the dropper to release a small amount of the liquid at the bottom of the container. Then slowly remove the dropper from the container, making sure not to disturb the water. Observe for a few minutes. Okay, for question 1, does the food coloring stay at the bottom of the container or does it mix with the liquid above it? Okay, panoorin po natin ito para masagot natin yung number 1. Ito po yung pinagtunawan muna natin ng food color. That's step 1. And then nilagay natin yan sa ref for 1 hour para lumamig siya. Yan, tinunaw muna natin yung food color. And nilagay natin sa ref. And then ilalagay natin sa ilalim ng tap water. Tingnan natin kung ito ba ay nag-mix sa taas and nag-stay sa baba yung iba. Ayan. Ayan, napansin nyo naman. Ayan. So, most of the colored liquid stayed at the bottom. A small amount mixed immediately with the water. So, nag-mix pa rin pataas yung iba, pero mas marami pa rin po yung nasa ilalim. Okay, fill the other container with hot water. Number 6, place the cardboard over the top of the container with hot water. Then, carefully place the container with tap water on top of it. The cardboard must support the container on top as shown in figure 5. Pero sa case po nitong ginawa nating experiment, medyo nahaharangan po yung init kaya walang masyadong effect dito. So ang ginawa po natin, tinanggal ko na yung cardboard kasi stable naman siyang nandito. Basta stable po kahit wala ng cardboard para kita agad ang effect. Pero may effect din naman po yan, kailang mabagal, unlike nung walang cardboard. Okay, panoorin po natin ito. Ayan, tinunaw po yung food color. And then, nilagay sa ref, 1 hour para lumamig. Ayan, tap water. Ginamitan ng syringe para higupin yung food color. And then, ilalagay po yan sa ilalim. Nun. Yun, majority po nasa ilalim. And then, ilagay natin ang mainit na tubig sa another bottle. Ayan. Kita nyo yung upward movement of the food color. Ayan. Nakapatong siya dun sa glass na may mainit na tubig. Ayan, kitang-kita po natin. Yung paggalaw pataas. May ibang bumababa po kasi kung nag-cold na yun, yung nasa ibabaw, lumamig, bababa naman siya. Okay, for question 2, what happens to the food coloring after placing the container above the other container? Why does this happen? So, when the container was placed on top of the other container with hot water, the liquid, water and food coloring at the bottom rises slowly to the top. Yun, umangat po. Nakita naman natin yung direction. Number 3, how is heat transfer taking place in the setup? Where is heat coming from and where is it going? So heat is transferred by the heated liquid that move from the bottom to the top. So for number 4, is there a transfer of matter, the food coloring, involved during the transfer of heat? So yes, the food coloring itself goes up. So as you can see in this picture, the warmer liquid, kasi ito po nakapatong sa mainit, so aangat kasi ang mas mainit po, ang warmer is lighter. So mas umiinit yung tubig, yung particle niya mas magaan. So ang tendency is to move upward. And then yung nasa taas is lumamig, bababa naman siya, kaya nagkakaroon ng cycle. Yung mainit aangat, yung malamig sa taas bababa, kaya nagkakaroon ng up and down movement. So question 5, you have just observed another method of heat transfer called convection. In your own words, how does convection take place? How is this process different from conduction? So convection is a method by which heat is transferred through the liquid or gas by the movement of its particles. Conduction transfer energy by direct contact. Yun pong pagkakaiba. Kasi sa conduction is direct contact. Sa convection naman po is through heated part of liquid or through heated particles of liquid and gases. For question 6, do you think convection only occurs when the source of heat is at the bottom of the container? What if the source of heat is near the top of the container? You may try it by interchanging the containers in your previous experiment. So pwede natin gawin na baliktarin naman. Okay, what you found out in this experiment is generally true with fluids, which includes liquids and gases. Kapag sinabi pong fluid, that is liquid and gas. In the next quarter, you will learn about convection of heat in air when you study about winds. So what happens in your experiment? When you place the glass on top of another glass with hot water, heat transfer takes place from the hot water to the top water, including the colored water. This makes these liquids expand and become lighter and float atop the colored water at the top of the container. This will then be replaced by the colored water descending from above.